Itong Department of Justice, kinumpirmang wala na ho sa kustudiya ng bansang Czech Republic si dating Ako Bicol Party List Representative Elizalde Co. Alamin natin kung bakit sa pag-uulat ni Bombo Grant Hilario.
Inanunsyo ni Department of Justice Secretary Frederick Vida na wala na sa kustudiya ng bansang Czech Republic si former Ako Bicol Party List Representative Saldi Co. Sa pagtutok ng Bombo Radyo sa nagdapnapulong balitaan kanang Kagurana, kaninang madaling araw, mismong si Justice Secretary Frederick Vida ang nagkumpirmang nakalabas na sa nabanggit na bansa ang puganteng dating mambabatas. Ito anya ang ibinahagi sa kanila ng mga otoridad ng Czech Republic sa naganap na pagkikipag-usap o meeting ukol sa sitwasyon ni former Congressman Saldi Co. Aminado naman si Justice Secretary Vida na tanging impormasyon nakalabas na sa naturang bansa ang pugante ang nakuha at wala nang iba pang ulat ang ibinahagi pa sa kanila. Ating pakinggan si Secretary Frederick Vida ng Department of Justice.
We met with the Czech Minister of Justice, the Deputy Minister of the Interior, and the Deputy Minister of Foreign Affairs. I have to share difficult news, mga kababayan. Czech authorities have informed us that Mr. Saldi Co is no longer in their custody. From the moment we received information on his whereabouts, the Philippine government moved as quickly as we could. We coordinated with international authorities and the President dispatched this mission to Prague. But we are working across sovereign borders. Every country has its own laws, processes, and timelines. And we cannot compel a foreign government to act outside its legal framework.
Dahil rito, umaasa ang Kagurana sa hinintay na pag-iisyo ng International Criminal Police Organization ng Red Notice laban sa dating mambabatas. Sa pamamagitan na kasi nito ay maaring agaran idetene at ibalik sa miyembrong bansa sa Pilipinas ang kustodiya kay former Representative Saldi Co. Hanggang si Secretary Frederick A. Vida.
What we can do is work within those frameworks as aggressively as the law allows. We already filed our application in November with the Interpol Secretariat for a red notice against Mr. Co. And we are awaiting Interpol's evaluation. Once issued, the red notice would enable any member country to detain and return him through extradition or deportation.
Habang sa tanong ng Bombo Radyo sa naganap na pulong balita ng Kaguran sa Prague, Czech Republic, sagot ni Justice Secretary Vida ay kumpiyansa pa rin niya siyang may babalik ng bansa ang dating mambabatas. Ito'y alinsunod sa kanilang layon magmula o bago pa man lumipad patungong Czech Republic na maiuwi ng Pilipinas si Saldi Co para ito'y maiharap sa Korte ng Pilipinas. May isa pang ulit na pakinggan ang kalim ng Kaguran ng Katarungan na si Secretary Vida.
Bombo Radyo, would like to ask, sir, kung gaano po tayo katiwala na mahanap pa rin si Saldi Co at maiuwi ng Pilipinas para iharap sa korte.
Mataas ang pagtiwala ko.
Why?
Why, sir?
Kasi cancel na nga yung passport niya.
Eh, nakakaikot nga siya eh.
Do we have proof, sir, na cancel talaga yung passport?
The DFA and the courts have confirmed that.
Pero-
And based on the protocols and procedures of a cancelled passport, of a duly cancelled passport pursuant to a court order, the embassies are duly informed as related.
Para sa Bombo Network News, ito si Bombo Grant Hilario. And this is Bombo Radio Philippines, the #1 and most trusted source of news and information. Basta Radio Bombo!
For the most trusted source of news and information, visit our website at www.bomboradio.com. Follow us on Bombo Radio mobile app, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and X, formerly Twitter. Like, share, and stay connected. Anytime, anywhere.